Are you planning to start your crypto journey in 2025 but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll break down a smart, safe, and profitable crypto portfolio strategy that beginners can follow, even if you're starting with just $100. Stick with me till the end to avoid common traps that wipe out most new investors. Let's decrypt the future. Welcome to DecryptX. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We bring crypto clarity every week. Now let's dive in. 2025 is shaping up to be a massive year for crypto. With ETFs, institutional adoption, and clearer regulation, more money is entering the space than ever before. We're not just talking about Bitcoin anymore. The crypto space is maturing, and smart investors are preparing now. Over 420 million people worldwide use crypto. Bitcoin halving will have happened in 2024, historically bullish. So building a strategic portfolio in 2025 gives you the perfect window to grow alongside the next bull cycle. Now let's talk about portfolio structure, because what you buy and how much matters. Number 1, core holdings 50%. Start with 50% of your portfolio in low-risk, blue-chip assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are your foundation, less volatility and long-term stability. Bitcoin 30%, Ethereum 20%. Number 2, mid-cap projects 30%. These are established but still have room to grow. Think of them as your growth coins. Examples: Solana, Polygon, Matic, Avalanche, Chainlink. Number 3, high risk, high reward 15%. This is where the magic can happen. Smaller projects with 50x to 100x potential. These are usually low-cap gems with strong utility. Examples: Render, RNDR, Injective, INJ, AI, or Web3 tokens. Number 4, stablecoins 5%. Keep a small portion in stablecoins like USDT or USDC for buying dips or quick exits. Don't go all in at once. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA, a proven method where you invest a fixed amount regularly regardless of price. This reduces risk and removes emotion. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Even great coins can crash 80% before rebounding. Rules: never invest based on hype. Don't hold too many coins, 5 to 8 max. Always keep your recovery phrases safe. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage. Here are a few tools I recommend to manage your portfolio and stay informed. CoinMarketCap/CoinGecko for research. TradingView for price analysis. DeBank/Zapper for tracking DeFi holdings. Ledger or Trezor, hardware wallets. Telegram/Twitter X, real-time updates. Starting small is better than waiting forever. You'll learn more by doing. Focus on projects with real utility, good teams, and strong communities. Key points: follow the news, but don't panic sell. Stay consistent with investing. Track your performance monthly. Keep learning. Crypto evolves fast. And that's your beginner's guide to building a solid crypto portfolio in 2025. If this helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to DecryptX, where we turn crypto chaos into clarity. Let me know in the comments, what coin is the core of your portfolio?